Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying the Roku device and the home network are ready. Make sure your Roku model supports internet apps and that you have the Wi-Fi SSID and password, or plug an Ethernet cable for the most reliable connection. Once done, power on the Roku and use the remote to open settings, then network. You do this to detect available networks and trigger any required software updates before attempting to use internet features. This avoids connection errors later. Next, you choose the wireless network from the detected list and enter the password using the on-screen keyboard. Take your time, because one wrong character blocks access. Once connected, run the check connection test to confirm throughput and latency. Make sure Roku completes any system updates. This updates app compatibility and security. If the device asks, sign into your Roku account to enable channel installation and streaming rights. These steps ensure apps can reach the internet and play content smoothly. Finally, install the streaming apps you need from the Roku channel store and open one to test playback with a short clip. You do this to confirm both connectivity and app authorization. If video buffers or fails, first restart the Roku and your router, then check the device IP in settings to ensure it received a valid address. If problems persist, switch to Ethernet or adjust router settings and DNS. These fixes address common network issues and restore reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.